Hello everyone, and welcome to my first ever Hot Wheels review. Now, starting off, my Hot Wheels series with a banger, here we have the Mclaren F1 GTR. Now, the Mclaren F1 GTR is a high-performance racing version of the standard Mclaren F1 used in GT racing. Designed by Gordon Murray and powered by 6.1 litre BMW V12, the F1 GTR was a very successful race car, winning 38 of the over 120 races it participated in. The car was manufactured in numerous different configurations. 28 of the 106 F1s produced were GTRs. These were raced as late as 2005. The base of early versions of casting reads the McLaren F1 GTR. Despite the name, this casting actually depicts the McLaren F1 LM, as it featured the two side seats not present on the GTR racing models. The casting lost its plastic wing when it entered the main line for the first time in 2017. The plastic wing reappeared when it was used in the Gran Turismo series, as well as in the Golf Car Culture series, due to the fact that the original casting tool still exists in the Thailand factory. Now the first series that this car appeared in was in the 2010 Speed Machines series, which, surprise, surprise, its colours were Metallica Silver and Metallic Orange. What this one is, though. This isn't from 2010. This is much newer. I think this is part of the main line now. I think Hot Wheels guys, please help me out. I don't know. Still, let's have a closer look at it. So, as you can tell, it's a very recognisable design. But of course it's got a screaming V12, so you can hear it before you see it. And you probably won't see it at all, or at least that well, but you can see how much detail they added, I should say, because of the central steering wheel, because of the central driving position, which is cool. I love their attention to detail. Do you love their attention to detail? Tell me in the comments. And as I previously mentioned, silver, metallic silver and orange. It's got F1 on the side. Not into Formula 1, the McLaren F1. Number 3. McLaren. Not sure if this was a real livery, but it's a livery, I know that. That's all I know. Still, it's got spoiler. No decal on the spoiler or the roof. Also, very, very glittery, I'll admit. If only the tail lights were painted. But I'm just being nitpicky,